Okay, so this is cool. Looks overgrown as heck, but this is all raspberry bushes, or just berry bushes. It's a couple different types, but they're growing like crazy right now. They're taking over, and they're runners, right? You know, these berry bushes are runners. So if you look in the ground, I can just wait a little bit, let this grow, and this is a whole new potential plant for me, right? See how it's all running through the ground, the roots are going through. So it's really, really great. All this, it's looking chaotic, but it's gonna be a lot of berries this year. I'm looking forward to it. Those are a real crowd pleaser too. So hopefully we have a little berry section going. And then over here as well, these are the, check out the peach trees. They're looking still alive, right? But might not be for long. We trimmed them up way too much. I'm not sure they're gonna survive. Here we go as well. I left a branch up here. Here we got one little blossom coming right there. But yeah, we trimmed the heck out of this thing. Don't think it'll survive. We shall see though. And then over here we have more berries. They're looking like they're making a comeback. But yeah, these are some like big raspberries or something. Really, really tasty. So hopefully they bounce back. Hopefully they bounce back. But yeah, berry plants are much more resilient than you might think. They take a licking, keep on kicking. See, here's more berries right here. See all this? Really dense. Some right there as well. Some right there. More over here. Yeah, it's gonna be a little berry garden this year. A little fruit garden. Here's our blueberries, right? Blueberries coming in all right. My little ginkgos are coming back. Figs, I believe, are right here. So those are looking pretty good. And then we're off. This whole bed, though, we're gonna have to move all these pots because these are gonna be in the way of the corn. We're trying to grow the corn here, so we'll see what happens. Corn here or corn there? We shall see. Fun times ahead. Fun times ahead.